The new features on the back office Power of 3 tool help you easily keep track of your pods, personal growth volume, and more. To access the Power of 3 tool, click on Team, then select Power of 3 from the drop-down menu. Or, if you're on a mobile device, tap Menu, Team, then Power of 3. Once you're here, you'll see your 3 Power of 3 levels. Level 1 shows your personal rewards volume, the rewards volume on your frontline and your top contributors over the last 12 months. Remember, you need 100 plus personal rewards volume and 500 in rewards volume on your frontline to qualify for the $50 bonus. You'll also see your personally enrolled members, which determines your personal growth volume or PGV. In addition to the $50 bonus, you can get a $50 boost if you have 400 plus PGV, a $250 boost if you have 800 plus PGV, and a $500 boost if you have 1200 PGV. Level 2 shows how close your Level 1 pod is to building their own Level 1 500 plus Power of 3 pods, which will get you your $250 bonus. Level 3 reveals the pods underneath your second level. To achieve the highest bonus of $1,750, you need to maintain your own pod. 3 people from your 500 plus Power of 3 pod must build their own 500 plus PV pod. 3 people from each of those pods must build their 500 plus PV pods. And you need a PGV of 1200 plus. You can also see your team members' Power of 3 trees with the new Tree View feature. To access this feature, click the tree icon next to each name and view each member's Power of 3 status.